balls. We're really doing this. I'm pulling my bed down. We are moving. Are you happy on your own? Oh. I can also do a DIY. Looks so weird, doesn't it?
Strange, you know how quickly it starts off.
Yeah. To be fair, it hasn't felt like we've lived here now for about a month, has it? No. I need a break. Oh my god. This whole place is like empty now and it's really weird. The last thing to go. And we're getting cleaners in tomorrow because it's so dirty, but it looks so weird. Oh my god. So this is the aftermath of our move. Look at it. Stuff everywhere. We've got so much stuff, it's unreal. I don't know where it's all gonna go. Else's room. On a brighter note, I managed to make my bed, so that's a good start. Oh gosh, I put my toiletries away. Rug on the floor. So yesterday, me and Chelsea built this little book storage unit, which was quite a challenge, but we got there in the end, and we're really impressed with it. So we put our little like favourite heels on the bottom, some magazines and stuff, boxes, books. So we're getting there. Things are still kind of a bit all over the place. For now, we've put all of our shoes in the hallway bit here. Kind of, yeah. We've got a mirror. I'm about to go to IKEA to, what am I doing? I need to get some like storage units for my bedroom. I think they're gonna go like along here. I'm gonna get some chest of drawers because right now my clothes are just like in piles in the wardrobe. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. Not being funny, I just bought all this stuff from IKEA, which is great. But now I've got to get it in my car. So this is gonna be an absolute mission because I don't know how I'm gonna get that in my car. I managed to do it. Well, I got one box in and then a lady come over and was like, excuse me, do you want some help? I was like, yes please. And she was like, God, that is heavy, isn't it? So my car is like rammed with boxes, suitcases. Oh my god. So I'm gonna go home and somehow I need to get them back out of my car into my bedroom, and they're like so heavy, so I might need to get Chelsea to help me. God, moving is like a process, you know, proper process. This is what happens when you take a trip to IKEA and you have no idea what you're doing. Check out my socks today. Happy socks. Look at them. Watermelon. I'm convinced that I should have been a builder. I am howling. Do you know what I've done? So, I've nailed this here to the back, but this is meant to be split in half so that it's meant to fold out so it goes across the half. So now I've got to pull, well, try and pull this back out. So it's just took me ages to nail this in. Yesterday I unpacked some more stuff. So I've got some little bits on the table, and then I put this, my love sign, on the wall. And then I've also put this little one on my door that I got in Fuerteventura recently. Me and Chelsea have finally got the TV working. We lost the remote and we've only just found it, and it's been like, we've been here for about a week now and had no TV, so that's nice. We have spent the past week unboxing stuff, and still we have so much stuff to unbox, but it's slowly getting there. Slowly. I love this mirror here with the fairy lights. Yeah. It's well cute. This is the kind of random that goes on in our front room. That actually looks well good. Look at it. It's well coming together, isn't it? I think that little light makes this.
Yeah, and the meditating person next to the champagne bottle.
Balance. Life is all about balance. What's going on tonight, Chels?
Well, isn't going on tonight. So I feel about that.
Modern medicine don't much get, okay?
Yes.
Believe me.
Oh my god! Trace, I'm not even joking. It's like the Hollister shop where you can't see the clothes you're buying.
Yeah.
But it's
You
like,
can't see the price tag.
no, but it's great.
I've added this little table to my room. Chelsea didn't need it in hers, so took that. And then today, how cute is this? Got a little toothbrush holder from Muji. It was only like £2 or something. And then I got a hanger from John Lewis. Can't really see because I'm not tall enough. But I need to like spread some of these coats out so they're not all on here, but they're just on my door so they're not bundled up in my wardrobe. I can't remember if I showed the outcome of these chest of drawers. It took me 5 hours to build these two. 5 hours. Yeah, and I've put my calendar on the wall, and this little, it's actually a birthday card that my brother got me. Yeah, I'm really happy with this little bit here. It looks really cool. And yeah, so with that being said, I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. I think that's about everything. We're still like sorting out little bits and bobs, but if you would like to see like a finished apartment tour when it's all like done and in place and all the frames are on the walls, etc., give this video a thumbs up so that I know. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a good day, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye.